reflect it to the normal style. We update normal style to match what we set up in the document. And also here, the spacing setup is very useful. We can adjust the line spacing, paragraph spacing through these choices. And then we created a header. We have a button, a header group, a header button under this insert tab. You can create all kinds of not only this kind of header, many kinds of headers here, but for this project we use a normal header. And when you click on the header edit mode, we have a design button, the design tab for the header. And
I have a question.
Yes, please.
How do I find the research paper? Because we were working on it last week, and now I don't know where to find it, so I could continue working on it.
You didn't save last time, right?
What?
Did you save last time? When the class ended, did you save it?
Yeah, I saved it. I remember pressing save and like whatever, but now I don't see it anywhere.
You save on the virtual desktop, right?
I saved it on Word, yeah.
Where did you save it? Do you remember? Did you save? I remember the first time you can't save on your email box. You can save through cloud storage, and I advised you to get a USB key, USB flash drive. Remember that?
Yeah, no, I remember, but
if you just save on the virtual desktop, it will lost when you next time log in.
That's great. So now what do I do?
So you just save it on the virtual desk, or you save online?
I saved it on the Word. I pressed saved as, and now I just.
You can try. Did you log in your Word last time? You didn't?
Did I log in? What do you mean?
Here, can you see my name here?
Yeah.
Top right. And did you what is this?
I see the word sign in, but I don't know if I was logged in or not.
Okay, that means you didn't sign in. I think maybe you have to redo it. You probably lost it. Again, let me say again. When you exit the virtual desktop, if you are using the virtual desktop, virtual machine, you must save it somewhere else, not on that virtual machine. It will clear everything when you exit it. You have to save through your email box or some online cloud storage or your USB flash drive. But you can't leave it on the virtual machine. It will be lost.
It's not letting me sign in. Every time I press sign in for the Word, it like just doesn't let me.
You said you You have to use CUNY account.
Yeah, I am.
You said you didn't have CUNY account.
I do have a CUNY account.
If you have, you use your CUNY, Brooklyn College CUNY or CUNY, not only Brooklyn College, any CUNY account, email account to log in. And you can use your CUNY email. If you have an account, you can use it. Use it to send, to save your document everywhere. You can use OneDrive. You can use your email box to save.
Okay, I logged in. So now every time I save a document, is it gonna save because now I'm logged in?
Yeah. And if you didn't log in, your account is just saved on the virtual machine, local.
So now I have to start over, right?
And if you can't find it, you have to start over.
Okay.
Sorry.
Did you check in the file on the page and like search for all the, if you saw it, it's possible that it's saved on like a different name. You check the file section of Microsoft.
Like, yeah, every time I go on file and then I check like
You should
save
see
as.
like some documents should come up if anything you saved.
Yeah, the recent.
Like that.
Yeah, I see like custom office templates, but then
You don't see anything under the recent like she's showing?
like how do I no, it's not. It's
Blank?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, unfortunately
You
it
try
didn't save.
click here and you see the recent, but as on the virtual machine, it will be, everything will be clear, will be deleted when after you.
So she's saying if she signed in, it'll stay save now for her for the next time.
Yeah, but she didn't sign in.
But now she signed in, so we'll save for her next time.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Okay, let me show you. You can see my Word document, right? Right.
No, it's still the file with the PowerPoint, like we were just showing.
Okay, let me. Next time, you said you have CUNY account. If you have, click here to sign in. After sign in and you saved, next time you still log in, sign in, then you will find your documents here. Also, we taught how to save last time. You can save on your OneDrive. If you have a CUNY account, you can save to your OneDrive cloud storage. You can save on any position on your computer, but on the virtual machine, you can't use this person, this PC and browse. You can't use these two places. You must store in OneDrive, on OneDrive, or send. If you save on your local, on the virtual machine, you have to find it and send it to your email box, or you copy it to your USB flash drive. Okay, let's continue. We said how to edit the header. If you want to exit the header at the edit mode, just click the close button or press ESC key on your keyboard. The same thing, if you want to edit the header, just double click on the header. double click on the header, you can go to the header editing mode. Also, you can use the insert header button. Create a header. Nice. This is about creating the header. You can align right, middle, right, and also you can put the page number on the top, bottom, page margins. The page number are very as you need. And then we enter more text. Before you enter the first paragraph, you drag this ruler. First step, you need to display your ruler. Display ruler by click the view button. Then there is a ruler checkbox. You check it, and the ruler will display here. Then you drag this upper triangle to the required position. Here is 0.5 inch. This is inch. The measurement unit is ring. It's inch. And drag it here. And on the first paragraph, if you didn't finish, you can't press Enter key. And if you want to start a new paragraph, just like here, you press Enter key here, and next paragraph it will have an indentation automatically to the 0.5 inch position. Here is how to make the indentation. Just drag this button before you entering the paragraphs. And then here is about autocorrect. If you typed a wrong word, it will automatically correct it for you if the word is already existed in the dictionary, word dictionary. Also, you can edit in the dictionary, but this is not actually not so widely used. You just need to know there is such a function in Word.
I have a question.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So I did the citation. So
Yeah.
next to the sentence, it had the parentheses, TU, the author, right?
Yes.
Okay. So let's say I send it to a professor, I send it to you. How would you see the citation? Like, because you know, we wrote the date and all that stuff.
We haven't do that yet. Please let me show you to have a look. Later, we are going to do that. On the third page, of the of this project is automatically generated. Can you see here?
Oh yeah.
Here is the source you edited. And generated this page. We don't need this source is not we typed, we generated. I will show you later.
Ah, okay, fine.
Next steps.
Thank you.
Last time we stopped here. We created the first source. We have 3 sources in total for this paper. We already done the first one. The button we used is the insert citation button under this references tab. And before we insert a citation, we need to make sure this is MLA style. And we created the citation. Here is the information about the source we reference. And here there is a
Wait,
show.
how do you get there? How do you get to the source?
Here there is a references tab, and then insert citation, and then add new source.
Oh, okay.
Add new source. You click the add new source button. You get this window.
Got it.
If you don't see this medium and ear accessed, click this show all bibliography fields and scroll down, scroll down, drag the scroll bar, and you can see this field. And now let's continue to enter more text. You can copy from the slides, just this text. But what you need to pay attention is here you copy, Control C, or right click, copy, right click, copy. After copy, then let me show you the Word document.
It's a new paragraph, right?
Yeah, not new paragraph, sorry. Just after the first citation. Here, when you pretend I don't have that stuff. When you paste, right click, paste options. Here you choose this one. Keep text only. The format you only copy the text, not the format.
Right, because the bullet point comes.
Is it clear here? If you copy everything, you just copy everything, Control paste, it will go. It will be very messy. Remember, just paste the text only. Give you 1 minute to copy paste or type. I advise you to use the copy paste function. Easier and convenient. If you're done this sentence, let's insert a footnote. References the same type. We said we allow MLA style allowed two kind of notes. One is bibliographical notes, and the other one is footnote. Footnote, we use a superscript. You need to place your insert section, your mouse, after the period you just done. It means you are going to insert create the footnote here for this sentence, and it will be automatically to the number 1. If you have 2 footnotes, the next one will be 2. and insert note. After you click this insert note button, insert footnote button, and you will be, your mouse will be going to guide it to the position under the line on the foot, and the foot. There is a short and separator line, and then you can copy these paragraphs. Type or copy, but I advise you to copy these paragraphs, this paragraph to your document. And when paste, pay attention, you use the keep text only button. I'll give you 2 minutes for this footnote. Let me show you. The position, the footnote position will be here, is here.
Wait, so I do insert EndNote and then do the paste, and then it goes on the bottom with the little I.
Little one.
Little, it's a 1 or an I? I think it's an I.
1, 1, 2, 3. Your number is I?
Yes.
Oh. Maybe you need to set up the language somewhere. Let's see.
So look, after the last sentence with the noise canceling technology, we press insert EndNote and then we paste your text, right?
Yeah.
And it's supposed to be smaller, right?
Yes, it's smaller on the top right.
Wait, I don't understand how to add the 1.
You just click the insert note footnote here. You can see it.
Yeah, but I don't.
Insert footnote. It will the van will appear there.
And footnote. Oh, okay. But mine's an I also, not a 1.
Let me see. Maybe you.
Did you press EndNote, insert EndNote? Did you press that? Because I did that. And I think that's why it came like that.
Maybe somewhere you need to set up language type.
I figured it out. I think we both press insert EndNote. You have to press insert footnote.
Yeah.
And then you get the 1, because the
Yeah,
EndNote gives you the I.
Wait, I don't. Wait, it's next footnote or I see
not
EndNote.
this one. This insert EndNote. If you click this button, it will.
Yeah. So which one do I press?
This one. Can you see?
Oh.
Insert.
Okay. Yeah.
This big one. EndNote is a different kind of note, not footnote. We don't use it for this.
Got it. Thanks.
I have one question really quickly. How do I add the page number on top again?
Insert. Let me show you. The header. Insert header.
I go home.
Yeah, go to insert. Not go home. Insert tab. Can you see my screen?
Oh yeah, insert. Okay.
a header button and edit header. Do you see?
Yeah. Okay. And then it goes on the other side, right?
It will by default is on the left side, but you click the
Yeah, I got it.
okay.
Okay, thank you.
Let me save a second. Okay, you done the footnote?
Yeah, I'm done with that. How do I find the ruler again? Sorry.
View.
The ruler for the
View.
like.
Yeah, under the view tab. Can you
view?
can you see the view type?
Oh, ruler.
Yeah, there is a checkbox.
Yeah,
Ruler.
I see it. Thank you.
And after the earbuds, we are going to create another source, citation source. But here we just make just add a placeholder here. We don't add it for now. And give a name. A name named Gupta is an awesome name.
We're doing that after the footnote or after the noise canceling technology sentence?
This sentence to the earbuds, and
Okay.
you add a placeholder here.
I'm a little confused. Where am I that text over there, where am I putting that?
Putting this placeholder.
Yeah, and the text, yeah.
Under after the earbuds, the last word.
After what?
Yep, let me show you on my document. After the last words. Can you see here? Just you put your mouse here, you insert the position here, and then insert.
So what does the one mean?
This one?
Yeah.
This one is just a number, your footnote number. This is the first footnote. For example, I want to add another footnote here. Let me show you, give you an example. And it will be 2. The second note, footnote. This is a second. Then you can explain something about this sentence. This footnote is for this sentence. Maybe it's your idea and you want to explain, and you are going to make a footnote here. But maybe you not only have.
How do you find the explanation for the footnote?
Footnote?
Yeah, how do you find the explanation?
explanation. This footnote is an explanation for the sentence in your document.
Yeah, like how do I write that? Like how do I add that?
For this project, we just teach you how to insert, how to create this footnote.
Yeah, how do I create that? I don't understand.
Insert, we said this
I'm
insert.
saying like I have the number 1, but how do I put that sentence over there that you're
You can type, and also you can copy from the slides, paste here. You have 2 ways to choose.
Where do I type that? I don't get where to type that.
At the beginning, for example, the footnote number 2, you can see my screen right now, right?
Yeah, I see that, but where do I write the footnote is what I don't understand. Like, how do I get there?
Your mouse will be navigated here. See, let me show you the second note after
Like, you see that line over there, the line from the text to the footnotes? How do I get there?
Okay. I insert second note, and your mouse will be automatically added here.
It doesn't take me there.
It's how about you click it? You can click it. Click here.
Click where? I don't get it. Like, I'm pressing on the 1, and it like I don't get how to write the explanation for it like you have.
Didn't you lose the last project you did? So I don't think you have the text.
No, I have it. I rewrote it very
Oh,
quickly.
you rewrote it quick? Okay. So then after the noise canceling technology sentence, your cursor should be there, like a little line where it will come more typing. Leave it there.
But I'm
And
saying
then go-
the little line doesn't pop up. Like after I put the
Because you didn't do it here. Just listen to what I'm saying. Include noise canceling technology and put the cursor there. Then you should do the insert footnote, and then the line with the 1 should come. And then you put that sentence that she had on the slide, Gupta and Pedro, and write it there.
Oh, got you. All right.
No
Got
problem.
it. Thank you.
Thank you. See, I click this insert footnote button, then I'm guided here. Then just test. Okay, let's go back to our slides. After add this new placeholder, we need to, we finished the footnote part. Then we need to format it. They will have no format if you just copy and paste here or type the words. And then now you right click on anywhere of the words, the footnote words. Then select the style button on your right click menu, shortcut menu. Then choose.
Miss, can you do that again?
Let me share my Word. The right click, style. Is it clear? Then you can see this window, this small dialog. Then we can change it to the click modify to change the font. Did everyone get this pop-up window? You get this dialog box. Click this modify to change the font type and size. And the line spacing to this one.
I cannot find that.
You can find this style or modify style. Which one? Leslie, are you asking question?
I think she's talking about the style dialog because I can't find that either.
You can't find the style dialog, right? Right click.
Yeah.
Okay, let me show you. See, put your mouse here in this area anywhere. Then right click. Can you see this style? My mouse is here now. This style.
Yes, I found it.
Then click it. Click it. Yeah. Click it. This style dialog.
Apply styles. Is it that?
Styles, yes. Then this small window will pop up. This is the first window. After you click this modify button, this is the second window. And after you're done here, the third step, you click this button, then you choose paragraph. You will get this window, the third window. The third window, we change the indentation. First line is 0.5 inch. Then you're done. You can click OK. OK all the way back. Okay. You finish the formatting of the footnote. Pay attention. The third pop-up window is by clicking this format button. Then you can choose a paragraph. Then you will get this dialog.
And then I have a question for the last part of the footnote where it says Gupta and Padro. Is that supposed to be
Excuse me, a little bit noisy here. Which is about where?
at the end of the footnote where it says Gupta and Padro? Is that like, how do we get that? Is that like we write that or that pops up from a reference or something?
You mean this footnote explanation?
Yeah. You see how on the end it says Gupta and Padro in what's it called?
Slides?
Yeah, the end. I can't see it. Everything's blocking.
In the slides, can you open the slides and you can copy if you.
I did that.
You can download from the Blackboard. I also uploaded a PDF file. You can.
No, I did that. I'm saying.
Yeah.
Okay, whatever. Never mind. You'll see. I'll ask you when I see it over there. It's fine.
Okay.
It's citation. Like the same way we did the TU. The same thing. You gotta add.
That's what I'm talking about. How do I do that again?
So go to reference, citation signed by bibliography, and just put the names. And I don't think we have to put any information.
Insert citation. It's an add new placeholder, right?
Yes.
Alright.
For the second citation, you mean that? Yes, add a new placeholder. You just give it a name, and we are going to do it next step. Give me 1 minute. Let me. Okay, next step, we are going to edit that placeholder. We are going to edit that source, or just click the triangle, the black triangle, then edit source. We're going to edit the second source. Edit name. Click this edit button. First, last name, first name, middle name. It's the same thing. You put middle name here or just after the first name. Because this is a book reference, it has two authors. After you edit the first author, you can add the second one. And after you edit the authors, if you have a third one, you can continue to add. Click OK button, and the two authors' name will be.
I got the bigger, like when I press edit source with the place note, I didn't get the
Yes.
small box you got with just the names. I got the big one with the author title, the year, month, and day. I got the big one. I'm not getting that small one.
Oh,
Also, I don't see the edit source button.
Me neither.
okay.
I just see the insert citation and then add a new source.
Let me show my participant. Here, let me insert another. The first step we insert was we added a placeholder, right? Placeholder. Your name is Gupta, and then you click here. Click this small triangle. There is a edit source button, right? Do you see here?
Oh yeah.
Then click it. you get this window to edit the source. Are you okay here?
Yeah, that's what I see. But
Yeah.
didn't you have a small one?
Yeah. So I should just write Gupta and then it changes to Gupta and Padro or whatever once I edit this?
Yeah, you don't need to care about the placeholder name. It's going to change after you finish that.
Okay.
And Isaac, what is your question? You said
Okay, yeah. So I have this, but didn't you have a smaller one with just the name?
oh, the name, what name?
I'll click edit next to the author's line. Click edit, and then it'll take you to the other window where it says like name, last name, and yeah.
Okay.
Give me this name.
Yeah, that. I see it now. I see it. Press the edit. Okay, thanks.
Click this edit to add two authors' name. First one, second one. After you're done the name, pay attention here. The type of source is book. And the title, year, city, publisher. You've done this. The tag name, you can change it here on this corner. Then click OK, read down this paragraph, this footnote, and we are going to start a new paragraph.
Wait, can you go back to it because I wasn't done
Okay, sorry.
here. And I have one more question. My author doesn't say the same thing as you. Like I have to add more than one author.
Yeah, click the edit button. You can add two or more authors.
So I have to add two of them. Okay.
Yeah. After the first one, then you add another after like this. After the two authors' name listed here, you click OK.
And then why do you get the publisher?
Publisher, publisher,
Because when I press OK, I go back to that big one. So I got the names, and then I put the title and the year, but I don't have the city or the publisher.
Publisher here, Palm Press. You don't
Yeah,
have.
I don't have the option. Do I press show all bill biography fields? Oh yeah, I found it now.
Okay, that's all. You don't need to edit.
Yeah, I just have to press the add all.
Yeah, please OK. Click OK button.
And then press OK, and we're done with that part.
Okay,
Okay.
let's wait a little bit for other students.
Thank you.
And after you're done, this source. If you have anything wrong, don't worry. We can update. We can change later. I will show you how to change the source. And next step, we are going to enter a new paragraph. You can just copy this paragraph. And when you paste, pay attention, use text only. For example, copy, use this, keep text only. You will keep your original format of the Word document.
It's a new paragraph, right?
Yes, new paragraph. See, it's here.
Wait, I don't get it. Wait, what are we doing?
So that's the, are you down here? Are you down the source?
Yeah.
And then we start a new paragraph.
Okay.
You can copy.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Okay, after copy paste, we can see this count function, word count. If you want to know how many words in this paragraph, you come to this bottom left corner. You set this paragraph, you have 56 words. And the total words of this research paper for now is 200 something. And also, you can get this dialog if you double click. Dialog, it gives you the detail about your words, how many words, how many lines on this paragraph. It says 4 lines. How many characters, how many pages. Okay, I will see. This is how to see how many words in your document. Also, if you go to this review tab, you can click this word count button. The same function as the status bar on the bottom left corner. Okay, this is about review the words. After that, let's start the last paragraph. Insert the last paragraph. Not a new paragraph. Continue the same paragraph. This is the last sentence. Last sentence of that paragraph. You can copy it. And after you copy this sentence, then we are going to add a new placeholder, a new source. The same thing. Click Insert Citation, add new placeholder here. The new placeholder name, you can name it Chamberlain or any name for your convenience. And then you click Edit Source, the same thing as last placeholder. This source is a website. Give you 2 minutes to edit this third source. Also, it's the last source of this research paper.
When is this due?
Where?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, but
When is this due?
after this maximum, this word, you add a new placeholder. After 30% maximum.
I don't see production company. Like I see like name of web page.
See,
Did you press show all?
Yeah, here there is show or checkbox.
Okay, there we go.
Professor, do you take attendance?
Are you done with this source?
One more minute.
Okay.
Even after pressing show all biography fields, I don't see the production company.
Oh, maybe the version is different.
Maybe I'm in MLA. Oh yeah, so
it's
yeah,
okay.
I'm in MLA.
If you don't see on your Word version the production company, it's okay. You don't enter
Because
it.
I think I'm in MLA, not APA.
Oh, MLA.
So I can switch it from here, or I have to like redo it.
Oh,
But
my, so my, okay, this one is my problem. My screenshot has a problem. I used the APA. Maybe this problem. Sure. Let's see. But on my Word version is for MLA. It also has the production company.
Because I see in the edit source says bibliography fields for APA, and mine says bibliography fields for MLA.
Yeah, but see now I choose the MLA. Can you see? It's
Yeah, and you still get the production company.
yeah.
I see publisher. I just don't see that one.
Okay, go back. Do you want to go back to slides? Okay.
Should I just leave it? Oh, I see it now. Because I had it in type of source, I put website.
Oh, okay.
I didn't see that it goes down. Thank you.
Thank you. You have to select website first. Or different type of source. The fields are different. Thank you. Didn't notice. After you're done this source, let's finish the last paragraph. How is your last paragraph? Are you done? Here, I want to show you a small trick. Do you notice there is a separator between the pages? You double click this area. You can see, let me show you on the Word document. Please pay attention here. See, there is a empty it's called white space here. When my mouse change it to this icon, double click it, and the white space is going to disappear. Each pages connect together. And if you want to recover to that view, to show the white space, double click it again.
Wait, I don't have any white space on mine.
You can show it. If you don't have, it looks like this, right? Just a line. Then when your mouse moves to here, double click it.
I don't see any of that. Whatever.
Between your pages, you have 2 pages now, right?
Yeah.
And between the first page and the second page, you don't have this white space.
I do. Oh.
Oh, do you see? When your mouse, you move your mouse here, it's changes like this. You
Oh
double,
wait, now my header just went away.
oh, EXC exit. Then double click. Yeah, header went away after you click.
Just press undo.
It's normal. Then you can, yeah, undo, or you can double click again to display the white space and your header. Come back. Okay, for now we finished the last paragraph. We come to the last part. The third pages. The third pages, we are going to generate the sources by bibliography list. And before we generate it, we need to set up the style. Step 1 will apply the normal style for this new page. Oh, sorry, I'm sorry. Before that, you need to start a new page. After the first paragraph, you click the Insert tab. There is a page break button. Do you see that? Let me share screen. Here you done all your paragraphs. Insert button, page break, and you are going to start a new page break because we want to jump to a new page. If you press a lot of enter keys, that's not the right way. We just insert a page break. We are going to start a new page. That this new page, this new page is
Wait,
for
where do you see page break?
Insert. Do you see this insert tab?
Oh yeah.
Then
Press pages.
the third one, page break.
Gotcha.
Then you jump to a new page. On the new page, first step, we go to the references tab. Oh, sorry. Go home. Apply the normal, make sure it's a normal style for this new page. Just click this. If it's not selected, just click it to select, apply it. Then center your title. You type these words. These 2 words, works cited. And then go to the references tab. Here is more clear if you can hear. This is step 1. Step 2, make sure here is MLA style selected. Step 3, click this bibliography drop down, and this list will appear, will be shown. Step 4. Click the Insert by Bibliography. After these 4 steps, you will get the bibliography list for the last pages. We have several pages left.
Is it okay if my works cited is a little bit different than yours? Like the dates are a little bit different.
Date, it doesn't matter about the date.
As long as I have the works cited.
Let me see what you need to be the same. The format you need to be the same as me. For
Yeah,
example,
it's 3 different lines.
yes, and the first line no indentation, and the second line of our source has a 0.5 inch
Oh,
indentation.
so only my first one has that. Like my second one doesn't have more than 1 line.
Oh, okay, that's okay. The format of the data is different. That's okay. It doesn't matter.
Okay.
And we sorry, the time. I don't have time today. Okay, okay. Let me show you a little bit about how to update this. If you make something wrong, for example, you type the name wrong. What do you see now? Do you see the slides?
Yeah, there's a way to edit it because I didn't get the publisher, didn't come in one of mine. I need to edit the palm press.
Oh, okay. If you need to edit something, still go to this references type, and you can manage your sources. There is a manage sources button, and then you can choose the one you want to edit. Here we use this as an example. You can choose the one you need. And click the edit button. You can change anything. After you edit, and you need to click on the source list, right click, then update field. The change will reflect to this list. If you don't do this 1-2 step, your source will remain the same as the old version.
I'm doing this on my works cited page, right?
Not works cited page. Here, references tab, manage sources, and you can follow this step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to change a source.
Wait, I'm so confused.
Don't worry. It's
On references, then I press manage sources.
Yes.
And then I press select the source. Oh, do I have to modify any of this, or can I just leave it?
You can. This is just. I'm just tell you how such a button you can use, because if you have everything correct, for now we have everything correct. We don't need to change anything. If you need to change anything, you can follow these steps to change the source, anything of the source.
Mine's a little different, but is it okay if it's a little different, or should I change it?
It's okay. That doesn't matter. You just need to know how to generate that source.
Okay, got it.
Date difference, name difference, author name difference, any information difference is okay. Difference is okay. Okay, here is the update works cited. Next is about check spelling. If you have any word wrong, you can go to this review button for spelling check or grammar check, and it will, here there is a pin. It's going to give you advices, recommendations. You can follow it to correct your errors. And here is about proofreading and revising. I forgot to say. By here, you already finished the whole document, and the thing I'm talking now is about some proofreading and revising. You just need to know there is such buttons. Navigation pen you can use here. Where is it? And also, if you need to edit, after you finish a research paper, you need to do some check. Maybe you need to change some words, some paragraphs. Remember to use copy, cut, paste, and the paste options I just show you when you paste, right click. And this is what I said when I let you paste. This is keep the source formatting, what you copied from the format. And this is keep the text only. And the same format as the destination format. Here is about proofreading. It's still okay. I will this from here, the slides from here. There is nothing about the editing of this project. So next class, let me introduce, spend 5 or 10 minutes to introduce the left path. And today, after this class, you are supposed to finish the project. And before next, if you didn't, before next class, Wednesday, please email me your project and let me help you to see what you haven't done. And do you have any errors or something? Okay, today let's stop here. Maybe you have another class later.